This is the OnePlus 13. As someone who's been using Sony phones for the past decade, this is going to be a large change for me. I've never had a OnePlus device before, so I'm very excited to unbox this and share with you all my initial impressions of the OnePlus 13 next to my Xperia 1 Mark III. So I'm going to jump right on into it and get into the unboxing right now. So starting the unboxing here, you get a beautiful red box, OnePlus, Hasselblad, and obviously the big 13 on the top. Get all the details on the back, serial numbers, etc. OnePlus 13 on the side. I'm gonna open it up first. You get the Never Settle logo. Get rid of this. So the first thing that comes out are the manuals, it looks like. Let's see. Yep, manuals. Looks like a USB-C to USB-A adapter right here, so that's good. And then the phone is here. Right up first. I already like it. Never had a OnePlus device before. All right, here we go. I'm gonna be quiet. Hello, beautiful. Isn't this a nice looking phone? I got the blue version. Yeah. Classy. Looks like it comes with a screen protector built in on it as well. Set that off to the side here. Finished going through the unboxing. Okay, awesome. So I have the 512 gigabyte variant and I'm in the US. It looks like I got a charging brick, which is awesome, and a charging cable. Looks like USB-A to USB-C, so we'll see if this charges as fast as 100 watts. I don't know if we'll just rate it at. I don't know. But yeah, there's the unboxing. I'm gonna set the phone back over here. Now I'm gonna grab my Xperia. So this is my Xperia 1 Mark III with a case. Let me take the case off here. So taking the case off. Now my Xperia is a 21:9 aspect ratio. You can see this a little bit fatter. Flipping it over here. You got almost like a candy bar design versus this. Obviously the camera modules are a bit less versus this as well. Man, I tell you what though, this design and this feeling on the back of this is really nice. I really like this. As someone who has had a Sony phone for pretty much his whole life, this is a nice change and I look forward to using it. But yeah, pretty simple unboxing. I'm gonna power the phone on now. Maybe. I do apologize for all the fingerprints on my Xperia. Obviously, it's been used a lot. So there we go. I'm gonna do a full setup and then give a rundown as to what I think of the UI so far. So I've updated some apps, the UI, the other things, and now I can give my initial impressions on the software. I'm not gonna go very deep into this. But first off, I wanna say I did put a case on this. It was a pretty cheap case, but I like it. I try and take care of my phones as much as possible. I've updated the screen to show the time as a bigger thing. I do love the fingerprint sensor being here on the Xperia. It's in the power button. There is one small gripe. I don't like how high the volume rocker is, but that's okay. I'll get used to it. But I do like the customizability of OxygenOS as compared to the Xperia UI. I feel like Xperia is a little bit more like businessy versus this. This is a little bit more happy-go-lucky, enjoyable, more options to play with. And I look forward to keep playing with this app or this UI and getting used to it. So if you have any questions while I test this phone for a review, please let me know. Or if you'd like me to do anything on this phone, once again, please let me know and I will get back to it. So yeah, leave any questions and comments down below and I appreciate it. Have a good one.